Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Vacheron watches that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the compatible for Vacheron Constantin Overseas rubber watch band by Saiway. While technically a watch accessory rather than a timepiece, this product is designed to enhance your Vacheron Constantin Overseas watch with a durable and stylish rubber strap. Crafted from high-quality silicone, the band is both lightweight and robust, making it an excellent choice for those who lead active lifestyles. It's easy to install thanks to its Tang buckle clasp and offers a snug fit for both men and women. In terms of design and build quality, the XIW band is sleek and modern, with stainless steel details that complement the premium feel of your Vacheron watch. The rubber material is soft yet durable, resistant to wear and tear, and comfortable for everyday use. While it doesn't carry the prestige of a full Vacheron Constantin product, it's a practical addition for those looking to protect their investment or switch up their watch's look. This product is ideal for those who own the Overseas model and want an affordable, versatile strap for casual or athletic wear. However, as an accessory, it lacks the depth and artistry of the other products on this list. The absence of pricing details might be a drawback for some, and it's worth noting that it doesn't have the same collectible value as the watches or books we'll discuss next. Overall, this is a functional, budget-friendly option for enhancing your timepiece. Coming in at number 4, we have Treasures of Vacheron Constantin, a legacy of watchmaking since 1755 by Julian Marchinor. This beautifully curated book dives deep into the history and craftsmanship of the Vacheron Constantin brand, making it a must-have for collectors and horology enthusiasts alike. With 3 stunning images available, this book offers a glimpse into the timeless elegance and innovation that define the brand. The design and build quality of this book are exquisite, with a high-quality hardcover finish that reflects the premium nature of its contents. Inside, you'll find a wealth of historical insights, stunning photography, and detailed accounts of the brand's iconic creations. Julian Marchinor does an excellent job of capturing the spirit of Vacheron Constantin, making this book both an educational resource and a collector's item. While the price is not available, its value lies in its ability to deepen your appreciation for one of the world's most prestigious watchmakers. This book is perfect for anyone who wants to explore the artistry and legacy of Vacheron Constantin in more detail. However, it's not a functional product like a watch or strap, so it's best suited for those who already own a Vacheron timepiece or are passionate about luxury watchmaking. Pros include its rich content and premium presentation, while the lack of pricing and limited availability of images are minor drawbacks. At number 3, we have Vacheron Constantin Artists of Time by Franco Colloni and Bruno Ayres. This book is a celebration of the artistry and craftsmanship that go into creating Vacheron Constantin timepieces. With contributions from renowned author Franco Colloni and photographer Bruno Ayres, the book offers a visual and narrative journey into the world of fine watchmaking. The design and build quality are impeccable, as expected from a product associated with Vacheron Constantin. The hardcover book is beautifully printed, and the 2 available images showcase its elegant presentation. Inside, you'll find a combination of stunning photography and in-depth commentary that highlights the intricate details and artistic vision behind Vacheron watches. While the price is not listed, this book is an invaluable resource for collectors and enthusiasts who want to understand the artistry behind their favorite timepieces. It's a great addition to a coffee table or personal library, providing both inspiration and education. However, like the previous entry, it's not a functional product like a watch, so its appeal is more niche. The pros include its exceptional content and presentation, while the cons are the lack of price transparency and limited image availability. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have Vacheron Constantin Time is Art. Priced at $200, this premium book is the most expensive item on our list, and for good reason. With 20 stunning images available, it offers an unparalleled look at the artistry and innovation that define Vacheron Constantin's legacy. This book is a deep dive into the brand's history, showcasing its commitment to excellence and timeless design. The design and build quality are outstanding, with a luxurious hardcover finish that reflects the premium nature of the brand. The content is equally impressive, offering a blend of historical insights, technical details, and breathtaking photography. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the world of fine watches, this book provides a comprehensive understanding of what makes Vacheron Constantin one of the most respected names in horology. At $200, this book is an investment, but it's worth it for those who value quality and craftsmanship. It's perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to gift something special to a watch aficionado. The pros include its rich content, premium presentation, and extensive imagery, while the cons are its high price and the fact that it's not a functional product like a watch. Finally, at the top of our list, at number 1, we have Vacheron Constantin, The Quest Since 1755. Priced at $160, this book offers exceptional value for its price, making it our budget-friendly pick while still maintaining the prestige and quality associated with Vacheron Constantin. With 2 images available, this book provides a concise yet captivating look into the rich history and innovation of the brand. The design and build quality are excellent, with a durable hardcover that ensures it stands the test of time. Inside, you'll find a wealth of information about the brand's journey since its inception in 1755. The book is well organized and beautifully illustrated, making it an enjoyable read for both newcomers and seasoned collectors. At $160, this book strikes the perfect balance between affordability and quality. It's ideal for anyone who wants to explore the legacy of Vacheron Constantin without breaking the bank. The pros include its rich content, attractive price point, and high-quality design, while the cons are its limited number of images and slightly less comprehensive coverage compared to the more expensive Time is Art. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to deepen their appreciation for the brand. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.